Vitamin E Capsule Oil comes in 8 different colors, each with its own unique usage. Come with me, let's learn which color of the Vitamin E Capsule Oil will be suitable for us and our skin goals. Hi and welcome back to my channel. Good to have you here again as always. So today I'll be talking about the 8 colors of the Vitamin E Capsule Oil and which color is good for each skin concern. So let's do this. The first color of the Vitamin E Capsule Oil that I'll be talking about is the blue color Vitamin E Capsule Oil. This blue color Vitamin E Capsule Oil is for glowing skin. So this capsule makes your skin to look glowy. It gives you a healthy and dewy skin. If you desire a glowing skin, like if you do not have any skin concern, the only thing you want is to pop, to have a glowing and radiant skin tone, this is the capsule oil that you should go for. This blue colored Vitamin E capsule oil will help you achieve that. You just get like 10 to 15 capsule oil, put it in your body lotion. It will gradually melt. As it melts, it secretes the oil into your body lotion. You apply it. You can also apply this blue color Vitamin E capsule oil on your face and neck and the entire body. So apply this blue color Vitamin E capsule oil to achieve a glowing, radiant and popping skin. It is not expensive. A bottle of this blue colored Vitamin E capsule oil goes for 1,500 to 2,000 naira depending on where you're getting it from, and it contains up to 50 capsule oils inside. So get it, use like 10 to 15, put it in your body lotion, allow it to gradually melt and secrete its oil into your body lotion. This will give you a glowing and radiant skin. So guys, the second color of the Vitamin E capsule oil that I'll be talking about is the green color Vitamin E capsule oil. This green color is used for the treatment of acne and pimples on your body and face. This green capsule Vitamin E oil is the best capsule oil for the treatment of acne and pimples. It has natural ingredients that will help to fade inflammation. It reduces redness and nourishes your skin. It contains antioxidant properties that protect your skin from harmful pollutants. It will help to heal your acne and pimples. It will also help you to fade post-inflammatory scars and post-acne scars on your face and body. If you have dark spots on your body, you should use this. It will help to fade those dark spots. It will treat acne and pimples on your body. This green color Vitamin E can be also put in your face cream, and you can also put it in your body lotion. If you have acne on your face, put it in your face cream. Be rubbing it every day. It will help you to have a glowing face that is void of acne and pimples. You can also apply this oil directly on your face. You can use it directly on your face to achieve the same results. The next color that I'm going to talk about is the pink color. This is for those that have dry skin. If you have dry and flaky skin, if you have dry, rough skin, this pink color Vitamin E capsule oil is for you. This is for individual with dry skin, dull skin, flaky skin. This pink Vitamin E capsule oil will help to enhance hydration. It will help the skin to regain moisture. This Vitamin E capsule oil, when applied to the skin, will help to improve the skin elasticity and firmness. It will also help to promote skin cell turnover. Pink color Vitamin E contains powerful antioxidants that assist in protecting the skin from damage. So if you want a capsule oil that will help with hydration and moisturizing your skin, that will help to heal your dry and flaky skin, go for the pink colored Vitamin E capsule oil. The next one, guys, is the red or the wine colored Vitamin E capsule oil. This is famous for skin renewal and skin rejuvenation. This red or wine colored Vitamin E capsule contains high level of antioxidant that protect the skin from harmful environmental factors like pollution, UV rays. It also protect you from free radicals. This oil helps to boost collagen production. It is essential for maintaining healthy and youthful skin. It will give you a healthy and a revived skin. So if you want a vitamin E capsule oil that will revive your skin, that will rejuvenate your skin, that will give you a healthy skin. If you feel your skin is not healthy and you want a healthy and revived skin, go for the red or wine color vitamin E capsule oil. This capsule oil contains antioxidants that will help you to fight UV rays damage. It will also help you to fight the free radicals. It will give you a healthy and revived skin. So guys, the next color that I'll be talking about is the orange color vitamin E capsule oil. This vitamin E capsule oil is for normal to dry skin. It will help you to diminish the appearance of age lines, that is fine lines and wrinkle. It will also help you to fight aging. It also help you to prevent free radicals damages on your skin that leads to tired and dull skin, and that also leads to premature aging. This orange color vitamin E capsule oil will also help you to clear your skin. It will clear your skin from impurities. If you have a dull skin, it prevents free radical damage and clears impurities in your skin. When used daily, this product will enhance your skin. It will give you a youthful and smooth, healthy looking skin. This capsule oil can be mixed in your body lotion or cream. It can also be applied directly on the skin. So if you want a youthful skin, like if you feel your skin is looking dull and tired, you want a youthful skin, a young youthful skin, go get this orange color vitamin E capsule oil. Put it in your body lotion and come back and thank me later after 1 to 2 months, because the result you will get will wow you. This vitamin E capsule oil will help reverse aging signs. It will fade fine lines and wrinkles on your body. It will also fade fine lines and wrinkles on your face. If you have tired skin, if you have dull skin, go get this orange color vitamin E capsule oil and thank me later. And this will lead us to the next one, which is the pearl white vitamin E capsule oil. This is often used for anti-aging. This vitamin E capsule oil is seen as a game changer. It helps you to combat the signs of aging, such as wrinkles. It also helps to fight fine lines and dryness. It deeply hydrates the skin. It also provides essential nutrient to the skin. You know that when your skin is looking really dry, it causes early and premature aging. So this pearl white vitamin E capsule oil will help you to fight premature aging. It will also help you to hydrate your skin and fight dryness on your skin. This oil comes from a blend of pure vitamin E and other nourishing oils that work together to give your skin a youthful glow. This body oil will give you a youthful glow when used consistently. So guys, the seventh one is the gold color vitamin E body oil. This vitamin E capsule oil contains a blend of antioxidants that help you to fight free radicals and protect the skin from oxidative stress. It also helps to curb premature aging and dullness. The gold colored vitamin E capsule oil comes from a blend of natural oils such as almond oil, argan oil, avocado oil, and macadamia oil. This gold color vitamin E capsule oil is for extra whitening. If you feel that you want a whitening effect, you feel that you want a snow white skin tone, this is the vitamin E body oil that you should go for. This gold colored vitamin E oil will help you to achieve a whitening, an extra whitening effect is what it provides. So if you want an extra whitening effect, go get the gold color vitamin E capsule oil, put it in your body cream or lotion and get your white skin. And finally, guys, the yellow vitamin E capsule oil. This capsule oil is formulated mainly for skin lightening. If you want a lightening effect on your skin, if you want to just look a little bit lighter, go get the yellow colored vitamin E capsule oil. This vitamin E capsule oil, when added to your body lotion, can greatly improve your skin complexion, especially if you desire a lightening effect on your skin. It will give you a very clean skin. It will lighten your skin without dark patches. It will even out your skin tone and make you looking beautiful and plump. Thank you so much, my loves, for watching this video to this point. I am really grateful. I hope that this video is helpful enough, and I hope that we'll be able to identify the color of vitamin E oil that we want based on our skin type and the concern. Thank you for watching this video. I am grateful. Do have a fantastic time. Bye.